If you've ever wished for one kitchen appliance that could handle everything from silky smoothies to perfectly kneaded dough, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 might just be the answer. This all-in-one powerhouse combines the strength of a professional blender with the precision of a food processor and the convenience of single-serve cups. Backed by a 1500-watt motor and armed with blades built for any recipe, it's designed to crush ice, chop veggies, mix dough, and whip up nutrient-packed drinks in seconds. With over 44,000 glowing reviews and a reputation as one of the top food processors on the market, it's no surprise this system has become a go-to choice for busy families, home chefs, and smoothie lovers alike. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into everything the Ninja BL770 offers and see why it's a kitchen favorite worth considering. Powerful 1500-watt motor. At the heart of the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is its 1500-watt motor base, capable of delivering 2+ horsepower. This level of power ensures smooth blending, efficient chopping, and fast dough mixing. Unlike many budget blenders that leave behind chunks of ice or unprocessed ingredients, the BL770's motor is strong enough to pulverize ice into snow in seconds. This sheer performance power translates into creamy smoothies, evenly mixed dough, and consistent chopping results, all while cutting down on prep time. Total crushing technology. One of the standout features of the BL770 is its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher. This large capacity pitcher, with a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, is perfect for family-sized portions of frozen drinks, smoothies, or even purees. Equipped with stacked stainless steel blades, the pitcher can easily crush ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients. If you've ever struggled with blenders that leave icy chunks in your frozen margarita, the Ninja BL770 puts those worries to rest. Food processor functionality. More than just a blender, the system includes a 64-ounce or 8-cup food processor bowl. This attachment significantly expands the functionality of the BL770. It comes with 2 blade assemblies. Chopping blade, for precise, even chopping of vegetables, herbs, nuts, and more. Dough blade, designed to handle thick mixtures, this blade can prepare up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Single-serve convenience. The BL770 also caters to individual needs with 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups, complete with to-go lids. These are ideal for making personalized smoothies, protein shakes, or juices. Instead of blending a large batch, you can simply fill a Nutri-Cup, attach the Nutri-Ninja blade, and blend directly into the cup. Pop on the lid, and you have a portable drink ready to take to the gym, office, or school. 4 versatile functions. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is designed with 4 core functions: blend, soup, sauces, and more; mix, combine ingredients evenly for baking or cooking; crush, pulverize ice and frozen fruit for creamy frozen drinks; single serve, create personal portions in the Nutri-Ninja cups. These functions cover a wide range of daily kitchen needs, reducing the need for multiple standalone appliances. Blades for every task. The system includes a complete set of specialized blades: stacked blade assembly for the large pitcher, Nutri-Ninja blade assembly for single-serve cups, dough blade for kneading bread, pizza, or pastry dough, chopping blade for the processor bowl. Each blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness over time. Easy to clean. Despite its multiple components, the BL770 is easy to clean. All removable parts, including the cups, bowls, lids, and blades, are dishwasher safe and BPA-free. For hand washing, Ninja recommends using the included cleaning brush or a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct contact with sharp blades. The motor base can be cleaned simply with a damp cloth. This easy maintenance makes the system more practical for everyday use, even for busy households. Recipe inspiration. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System also comes with a 31 recipe inspiration guide, giving you ideas for smoothies, frozen drinks, dips, doughs, and more. Whether you're new to blending or an experienced home cook, these recipes help showcase this system's full potential. Build quality and design. At 9.2 pounds, the BL770 is relatively sturdy without being overly heavy. Its black finish gives it a modern, sleek look that fits into most kitchen styles. With dimensions of 15.75 inches D by 11.1 inches wide and 18.07 inches high, it does take up some counter space, but considering it replaces multiple appliances, the footprint is reasonable. Customer satisfaction. With over 44,000 reviews and an impressive 4.7 out of 5-star rating, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System has earned its reputation as one of the top food processors and blenders on the market. Customers consistently praise its powerful performance, versatility, and durability. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely powerful 1500-watt motor for reliable performance. Versatile, functions as a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker. Large capacity pitcher, 72-ounce, ideal for families or parties. Food processor bowl for chopping and dough mixing. On-the-go cups with lids for personal drinks. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Includes recipe inspiration guide. Cons: bulky design may take up considerable counter space. Noise level is higher due to its powerful motor. Some users may find there are too many parts to store. Final verdict: the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is more than just a blender. It's a complete food prep powerhouse. With its high-powered motor, multifunctional attachments, and ease of use, it can replace several appliances in your kitchen. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, dough, or chopped ingredients, the BL770 consistently delivers fast and reliable results. While it's not the most compact or quiet option, its performance and versatility far outweigh those minor drawbacks.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.